Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, you have seen about how to do multi-level inheritance. That is, here we have taken the student class here, then the school class here. We have inherited the student class and school class here. Then after that, we have taken a new class called as dip, and we have inherited the school class here. That is, we have inherited the student class in school class and the school class in dip class. We have created the object for dip class and called these methods here. So similarly, today I will be showing you how to do multiple inheritance. So I'll create a new Python file called as multiple. So here there is no much change, guys. So let me create a new class here. Class. Now I'll take a new different class so that we can change the example. We'll take employee and we'll define a method called as employee emp details, and after that now we'll give two values here, that is ID. So as you know that employee also has a particular ID number in any company that he joins, then a name, then after that we'll take self dot ID number equals to ID and self dot name na equals to name. Okay, now I'll create another called as organization, class organization. So here we are not inheriting the employee details here, we are just defining company, and here in the name we'll take a parameter called as org underscore name, self dot co-name equals to organization name. Okay, and now I'll create another class called as display, like or a dip called as dip. Here I will be inheriting the employee as well as the org classes here. Okay, now I'll define a method called as display, print self dot id number, same way self dot na, same way self dot co-name. Now we'll create an object for the dip class, d equals to dip, d equals to dip. After that we'll call the d dot employee details method, and here we'll pass two parameters, that is 10001 comma Vijay. After that d dot company, here we'll pass the organization name as ABC PVT Ltd. Okay, after that we'll call the display method here, d dot display. Okay, now let me run this particular program and show you. It is displaying 10001 Vijay and ABC Private Limited. So when you try to see the differences between the multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance, so let me show you in a better way. So this is the multiple inheritance and this is the multi-level. No, I'm sorry, guys. So this is the multi-level inheritance, and this is the multiple inheritance. So as you can see, there is no much difference between both the programs. Here we are inheriting student in the school class, and then school in the dip class, and we are creating an object for the dip class and calling all the methods here. In the same way, we are not inheriting this particular employee class and organization class, but we are inheriting that in directly in the dip class, and we are calling it here. So you can see that the only difference is that we are calling two classes directly in one single class here, whereas we are calling each class in each different class here. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.